If you've tried to generate AI video recently, you've likely hit a wall. Major platforms like Grok have moved their most capable generators behind strict, monthly paywalls. But there is a specific loophole to get around these costs. You can access 2K cinematic video, 3D animations, and lip syncing without paying a subscription. I've spent the last month testing the current crop of free tools to filter out those with massive watermarks or hidden generation limits. This process will result in a high-resolution, lip-synced video asset sitting directly on your desktop, ready for use. You don't need a local installation or high-end hardware to start, just a standard browser and a free Google or Microsoft login. This strategy is about removing the financial barrier to AI production. If you want to keep your workflow free, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which paid tool you are looking to replace today. Instead of searching for one app that does everything, we are using a method called workflow stacking. We will combine 3 separate tools, using each one only for its specific technical strength. Our first step is the visual foundation, high-resolution cinematic B-roll that doesn't require a paid account or complex software. Go to hyan.tencent.com and log in. You'll see the Tencent Hanyan dashboard, which provides a clean prompt interface for generating video from text. Type a detailed description of your scene. For example, we'll prompt for a sweeping drone shot of a futuristic neon city at twilight. The generator produces a 2K video clip. The lighting and textures are sharp enough to match the output of most paid cinematic engines. At some point, the system will notify you that you've reached your daily credit limit. You can continue generating by opening an incognito browser tab and switching your VPN location. This resets your session, allowing for unlimited high-resolution shots. Step 2 is generating 3D characters while maintaining visual consistency across the entire clip. Meta AI is often used only for text, but it contains a powerful image and animation model capable of creating detailed 3D characters. Open meta.ai and prompt the system to generate a highly detailed 3D animation of a modern professional. Once the image is ready, click the Animate button located directly underneath it. This converts the static portrait into a high-quality video clip without adding a watermark. Most AI video generators default to 5-second clips, which are often too short for meaningful storytelling in a commercial project. To fix this, use the Extend Animation feature. This pushes the clip to 13 seconds, while keeping the character's features and the background stable. Using this extension tool gives you a long-form character asset that remains visually consistent, which is typically a feature reserved for paid platforms. Now we need to add dialogue and sync the mouth movements, a feature that usually carries a heavy premium on other platforms. Navigate to chat.qwen.ai. This model is currently one of the most effective free options for high-precision lip syncing. Upload the character video you just saved from Meta AI directly into the Qwen dashboard. Type in your dialogue or upload an audio file, then start the generation. The AI maps every syllable of the audio to the character's mouth movements. This process preserves the original resolution and doesn't place watermarks over the subject's face. Achieving this level of audio-visual synergy provides the visual quality required for professional or commercial projects without any licensing fees. Look at your desktop. You now have high-resolution B-roll, a consistent 3D character, and perfectly synced dialogue. By stacking these tools, we've bypassed the standard paywalls, generation limits, and the need for a local technical setup. This workflow creates a high-resolution pipeline suitable for monetized client work, presentations, or social media content. For more advanced projects, you can integrate Hugging Face Zero GPU spaces to access even more open-source models without hardware costs. By mastering this specific 3-tool stack, you've built a production pipeline that matches the video output of many paid platforms. You now have the capability to produce high-end content without the overhead of a monthly subscription.